Good morning, Madam Adiba and my fellow friends. Today our group will be presenting about green building. My name is Deborah Vidachau. Green buildings means creating buildings that reduce negative impact and increase positive impact on the environment. The main aspects are energy efficiency, water conservation, indoor environmental quality, sustainable material, and connection with nature. In Malaysia, we have the Green Building Index or GBI, which is the national rating system to measure building sustainability. GBI looks at six key criteria, which are indoor environmental quality, energy site planning, materials, water, and innovation. The aim to promote eco-friendly buildings that also brings long-term social and economic benefits.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Rosni Binti Parini. My number matrix is 07DUB231031. Today I will present about the needs of green building application. First, environmental imperative. It's about climate change and emission. The building sector is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emission, and green building drastically reduce impact through energy efficiency, renewable energy use, and lower emission from materials and sustainability sources material operation. Second, economy and social benefits. It's about lower operating costs. Buildings that are more energy and water efficient have significantly lower operating costs for occupants and owner according to faster capital. Third, future about urban development. It's about sustainable urban planning. With a large global population expected to live in city, green buildings are key component to sustainable urban development, aiming to make city more habitable, inclusive, and resilient, says Eberdrola.
Green technology means using science and technology to produce eco-friendly products and processes. Its main goals are to save natural resources, reduce pollution, and improve energy efficiency. It also focuses on innovation to reduce the negative impact of human activities on society and the environment. In Malaysia, the government introduced the National Green Technology Policy in 2009 to support sustainability, cut the nation's carbon footprint, and position Malaysia as a green technology hub in the region. Next, I'll be sharing about information and discussion related to example of green buildings and practices in Malaysia. The green buildings that we choose is Sabah Art Gallery, which is the first green building in Sabah. First, the thermal envelope. The thermal envelope is the barrier that separates the conditioned interior space from the external environment. Sabah Art Gallery used insulated roofing and an octagonal shape to minimize solar heat gain, which reduces the need for mechanical cooling system. Next is Indoor Environmental Quality, IEQ. Referred to air quality, natural ventilation, lighting, and acoustic affecting occupants' comfort and health. For example, Sabah Art Gallery had natural daylight from the center staircase skylight brighten the interior, while LED light with motion and daylight sensor ensure energy is only used when necessary. Number 3. Cooling and cooling loads. In green buildings, the cooling loads refer to how much energy is needed to remove heat and keep the building cool. Reducing this load helps lower energy use and operational costs. This is proven in Sabah Art Gallery, where thermal insulation material on the roof and wall reduce heat absorption. The buildings also achieve a BEI score of only 105 compared to Malaysia's standard of 350, a remarkable differences. Next is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, HVAC system. HVAC basically means the system that controls the temperature, ventilation, and air quality inside a building. It's what keeps the air cool, clean, and comfortable for everyone inside. In the case of Sabah Art Gallery, the building used a chilled water air conditioning system that power by solar energy. The solar panel on the rooftop help runs the system so it doesn't depend too much on normal electricity. Next is Building Energy Management System, BEMS. It's basically a smart system that monitor and control how much energy a building uses, all in real time. It's connect with things like lighting, HVAC, and power system to make sure energy isn't wasted. In Sabah Art Gallery, this system keep the BEI at 105, saving energy and reducing about 780 tons of carbon emission each year. 6 is renewable energy. They use things like solar water heater and PV panel to collect sunlight and turn it into energy that the building can use. This really helps reduce the use of fossil fuel and lower the building carbon footprint. For example, at Sabah Art Gallery, solar panel on the rooftop collects sunlight to power the building, including a solar power chilled water air conditioning to system that use solar energy instead of electricity.
7. Domestic water. Green domestic water emphasizes efficiency used to resources through rainwater harvesting, grey water reuse, for toilet or irrigation, low flow features, and water efficiency appliance. This rainwater harvesting saves 330,000 liter yearly, 32% of total water use. 8. Lighting system. Green building lighting maximize natural daylight and uses energy efficient LED with sensors and automatic control to adjust based on occupancy and light levels. For example, LED lighting with motion and light sensors ensure use only when needed, reducing electricity consumption. 9. Daylighting. Daylighting uses natural sunlight to illuminate interiors, reducing artificial lighting and improving energy efficiency and occupant well-being. For example, central lighting. Central skylight above the spiral staircase provide natural daylight, reducing artificial lighting and changing visual quality.
Next, household appliance, consumer electronic, and office equipment. Household appliance and office equipment are major energy users. Choosing efficient model and smart setting reduce consumption. For example, the gallery functions as an office, library, and exhibition space, and it low-paying scope.
Hello, madam, and all my friends. My name is Narfisa binti Nalhat. Okay, so today I will be presenting about the Green Culture program in Malaysia. The implementation of green culture in Malaysia focus on promoting sustainability through various programs such as training, education, awareness campaign, and green building certification. These initiatives are designed to help people understand the importance of protecting the environment and to encourage sustainability lifestyle in daily life. Second is government support. The government plays an important role in supporting this effort through the Green Technologies Master Plan and the Green Building Index, or it called GBI. These policies provide clear guidelines and standards that encourage industry and communities to adopt eco-friendly practice. And the third one is community engagement. Community involvement is also a key part of green culture. There are more like activities such like workshop, seminars, exhibition, and media campaign. These platforms are used to reach a wider audience and make green practices more relatable and accessible to the public. However, there are still some challenges in implementing green culture in Malaysia. The first challenge is low public awareness. Many people still do not fully understand the long-term benefits of green practices. So more education and awareness are needed. The second challenge is high implementation costs because green technologies and eco-friendly materials are still expensive. Next, there is lack of technical expertise, as we still need more skilled professionals to maintain advanced green system effectively. Lastly, social and lifestyle barriers remain challenges, as changing habits like energy wastage, plastic use, and poor recycling takes time. Now, let's look at an example of a green building in Malaysia, the Sabah Art Gallery. This building serves as a reference model for other sustainable development in Malaysia, especially in Sabah. It was designed with great attention to environmental sustainability. The Sabah Art Gallery used sustainable materials, solar panels, natural lighting, and ventilation system to reduce dependence on electricity and minimize its environmental impact. So it's very eco-friendly design. A sustainable water management system, including rainwater harvesting and water efficient toilet to reduce water wastage and promotes responsible resources use. Despite its success, the Sabah Arts also faced several challenges. First, high maintenance costs because advanced green system required skilled worker and higher upkeep expenses. Second, limited funding. As it is a government-funded institution, making upgrades and improvement is difficult. Third, low public awareness, since many visitors do not realize that it is a green building. So, more educational efforts are needed. And fourth, technology and expertise limitation, as the gallery depends on external suppliers for advanced system, which can increase costs and delay maintenance. And last but not least, consistency in green practices, where maintaining GBI standard requires regular training and updates to ensure efficiency. In conclusion, the Sabah Art Gallery is a great example of how modern architecture can be combined with green technology in Malaysia. It used features such as solar panels, natural lighting, rainwater harvesting, and water efficient system to reduce energy use and minimize environmental impact. Although the building faces some challenges such as high maintenance costs and limited funding, it still serves as an important reference for sustainable building design. Overall, the Sabah Art Gallery shows the importance of applying green technology in achieving eco-friendly development and inspire future green projects in Malaysia.